Hey there! Welcome! In this video, we'll show how to create and submit your business identity, which is required for all business DID purchases and provides a full range of services that can be tailored to your company needs. You will learn how to create your business identity, including key verification steps, adding your company details, verifying your company identity by email and by phone, and uploading supporting documents. Let's start with logging into your CommPeak Portal account. Once logged in, go to the DIDs section in the main menu and select Identities. Now, click Add a new identity, and in the pop-up window, choose the Business tab. The pop-up will show you what's needed. Click Proceed. In Step 1, Identity Details, Part A, fill in your company name, registration number, VAT, and registered address. If your physical operating address differs, toggle the switch and complete the additional fields. Remember, your registered address and company's name must precisely match your certified documents. In Part B, fill in the name and role of your company's authorized representative. This name must match their personal identification document you'll upload later. Then, click Save and Continue. For Step 2, Email Verification, enter your company email and click Get Code via email. Copy the 6-digit code sent to your mailbox and paste it. In Step 3, Phone Verification, enter your valid company phone number, select your country code, and click Get Code via call. To complete the verification process and authorize your phone number as a caller ID, press 5514. Enter the 4-digit code you receive. Finally, in Step 4, Supporting Documents, upload 3 types of documents: your company registration certificate, a government-issued ID of the authorized representative, and proof of your company's address, for example, a utility bill under the company name, matching your entered details. You can upload them in PDF, JPEG, or PNG format. Once documents are uploaded, click Submit Identity for review, and confirm your submission. Remember, no changes are possible after this step. You'll receive a confirmation by email and can monitor your identity submission status on the Identities page. Note that reviewing time is up to 48 hours. Sometimes, you might need to complete a Know Your Customer process for additional identity verification, even if your identity documents have already been submitted. For additional verification, go to the Extended Verification (KYC) tab on the Identities page and click Initiate Process. Please check our KYC instructions article for detailed instructions on how to complete the entire verification flow. Thanks for watching, and good luck!